Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can adjust trends on your X page. So there's going to be trends for you. You can also go to the explore page to kind of adjust it a little bit more here. So you can select the trend that you don't want to see, for instance this. Go to more and select not interested in this, or this trend is harmful or spammy. Obviously it's not. You can also adjust it here. Maybe you can like disable show content in this location, or transfer you can disable it if you would like to. But I feel like it's pretty good if you do enable the trends that are currently happening in your location. Something important could come up. That's where I get most of my news is from X, from Twitter actually, but okay, we call it X now, I guess. But anyways, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you. Bye.